right, special thanks to this company for sending us their dog bark collar. This is model BC01. Nothing really around it, just that it's rechargeable, waterproof bark collar. So better technology care for your pets. It is rechargeable, should last for about 30 days, and it has 2 working modes, a vibration mode, only sound and vibration, or the shock mode. So let's take a look at it here. Look at all this. Thank you, and all these nice little pamphlets that tell you about stuff. All right, got a user's manual as well, so you'll want to look through all that so you understand it. Little proprietary charging cable that'll just plug into a USB, and then little cover caps for those. That's it for the box. And so here's the actual shock collar. Looks like it's on. So this literally does it if they bark. Got it. I must have missed that part. I saw bark collar, but I didn't really put the 2 and 2 together. Okay, so they bark and it either vibrates or zaps them. But yeah, so you got this charger. It just is able to clip right in between here to charge. Yeah, this dog collar is ready to rock and roll. You're able to control everything by long presses to change the modes over here and turn it on and off over here. So like a long press over here, that just cut it off. So very nice though. The quality of it feels great. This plastic does not feel cheap. I feel like it's very strong. So 2 thumbs up to the design, the look of this thing. It's very, very nice. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this to me. Anything else you need to know should be in the manual. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.